Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. As you all know that in previous classes we discussed sentence topic. Now we discuss our very important topic that is called pronoun. Okay. So this is also very important topic in grammar. Okay. So first of all we know the meaning of pronoun. What is the pronoun? Pro. Okay. After pro there is noun word. Clear? So I think everyone understood the meaning of pronoun, that when we use in play means when we remove the repetition of noun. Okay, when we want to remove the repetition of noun, then we use the word pronoun. I think try to understand that when we want to remove the repetition of noun, like Reena is a good girl and she is very intelligent. So what we use in place of Reena, after we use she, so that she is called pronoun. So that is the meaning of pronoun. Okay, so write down the definition of pronoun in your notebook and open your notebook, write down all things in pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun to avoid its repetition. I think understood the meaning. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun to avoid its repetition. Okay, we never use that Reena is a beautiful girl, Reena is an intelligent girl. What we use? Reena is a beautiful girl and she is a intelligent girl. Okay, means again and again we don't take the name of Reena. Okay, so we want to do in easiest form. So what we use for that? We use pronoun for that. Clear? So I think the meaning we all understand easily. Now by one example you easily understand. Reena is a brilliant girl. Reena is a brilliant girl. She is the favorite of all the teachers. All of them admire her. Now admire, this is the one sentence, this is the first one example. ये एक एग्जाम्पल है जिससे हमें पूरा चैप्टर क्लियर हो जाएगा. सो लिसन केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. Reena is a brilliant girl. Clear? She is the favorite of all the teachers and all of them admire her. Clear? Now first of all Reena we use here now, but what we use for remove its repetition, avoid its repetition, after that in place of Reena what we use? We use pronoun. What we use? We use pronoun, that is we use she here. What we use? She is the favorite of all the teachers. Now listen, here what come? All the teachers, all of them, means in place of the teachers we use them. हमने इसके भी रिपीटेशन को रिमूव कर दिया और यूज किया है प्रोनाउन them. Admire her. I think by this example everyone understand. We never use Reena is a brilliant girl. Reena is the favorite of all the teachers and all the teachers admire her. तो हमने क्या यूज करा? In place of Reena we use she. In place of teachers we use them. So this is the easiest way to avoid its repetition. So what is the meaning? In place of noun, a word which is used in a place of noun, that is called pronoun. I think meaning of pronoun clear to you all. So write down the meaning of pronoun and write down this example. This example is very, very important, and this is the very good example also for understanding. Clear? Now here our meaning is completed. Now we come on the most important part, that is kinds of pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. Nine kinds. Make this type of table. Okay. Okay. Now, pronoun is divided into 9 parts. In some books, this is in 6 parts. In some books, this is in 7 parts. But exactly this pronoun have 9 parts. Okay. Means in 6th class book I think 7 or 6 parts given. In 7th class also same 6 or 7 parts given. But the total parts of pronouns are 9. So you all write 9 parts. Okay, and I explain all 9 parts. So kinds of pronoun. First is what? Very important, that is personal pronoun. First is what? First is personal pronoun. Second is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Third is emphasizing pronoun. Emphasizing. Emphasizing pronoun. Emphasizing pronoun. Then fourth is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Now 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th I write downside. Fifth is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Sixth is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Seventh is relative pronoun. Eighth is distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun. And our last one is ninth one is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. So clear? There are 9 kinds of pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Second is reflexive pronoun. If you don't see properly on board, so listen carefully, and if you don't listen my voice properly, so you would see on board and write in notebook. First is personal pronoun. Second is reflexive pronoun. Third is emphasizing pronoun. Fourth is demonstrative pronoun. Fifth is interrogative pronoun. Sixth is possessive pronoun. Seventh relative pronoun. Eighth is distributive pronoun. And ninth one is indefinite pronoun. I think all 9 parts clear. Okay, so you all note down in chart form only in this way. Don't do in roughly. Okay, so you all make this way table and write down in good handwriting. So there are 9 kinds of pronoun. Now we will discuss one by one all pronouns. All kinds we will discuss one by one. First of all, first is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? So write down one by one. Personal pronoun are used instead of names. Instead of names. It means पर्सनल प्रोनाउन हम कब यूज करते हैं? इन प्लेस ऑफ नेम्स. हम नेम की जगह पर्सनल प्रोनाउन को यूज करते हैं. लाइक रीना इज अ गुड गर्ल. आफ्टर दैट वी यूज रीना इज शी इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ नेम्स वी यूज पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. ओके. पर्सनल pronouns can be used as the subject of a verb and object of a verb. Personal pronouns are used instead of names. Personal pronouns can be used as the subject of a verb or object of a verb. Means हम subject of a verb भी use कर सकते हैं and object of a verb भी personal pronoun को use कर सकते हैं. So this is the meaning of personal pronouns. Now personal pronouns can be divided into three categories. That is first person, second person and third person. That is first person, second person, second person and third person. Clear? So first of all, personal pronouns are used instead of names. Personal pronouns can be used as the subject of a verb and also the object of a verb. Personal pronouns can be divided into three categories, that is very important categories: first person, second person and third person. First person, second person and third person. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of first person, second person and third person? Some students don't know about the first person meaning, second person and third person. So first of all, write down the meaning of first person, second person and third person. The person who speaks. The person who speaks. The person who speaks is first person. Okay. The person who is spoken to. Who is spoken to is a second person. And third person is the person who is spoken about. The person who is spoken about. The person who is spoken about is third person. So now everyone understand? There are three kinds of person: first person, second person and third person. The person who speaks first person, the person who is spoken to is second person, and the person who is spoken about is a third person. Clear? So these are three kinds of person. So don't be confused and write down this also, meaning of first person, second person and third person. Clear? Now make a table this way. Divide into three columns. Pronouns, pronoun, singular and plural. First person, second person, and third person. Okay, so divide table into three columns: pronoun, singular and plural. After that, first person, second person and third person. Now first person singular is I and plural is we. Second person singular also you and plural also you. Third person he, she, it. Okay, and what is plural? They. So I think everyone clear about singular and plural. Okay, singular and plural. First person I, plural is we. Second person you, plural also you. Third person he, she, it, but in case of plural they. So this is the personal pronoun table. So this is very important topic. You all write down in your notebook and make table in form, means write in form of table only. Clear? Now next. One more table you all make. Divide into four columns. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. Clear? One, two, three. Only four divided into 4 parts. No? So here this subject, object, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun, and person. Clear? I, we, you, they, he, she, it, they. Clear? Subject is what? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Clear? Now object is we, us, you, him, her, it, and then object is what? I change into we change into us, you change into you only, he change into him, She changed into her, it changed into it only, they changed into them. Clear? So this is subject and this is object. Now possessive objective is my, our, your, his, her, its, theirs. It's theirs. Possessive pronoun is mine, ours, yours, his, hers, it's not there, and theirs. Here, there come. Here, there, and theirs. Clear? First person, second person, first person, we also first person, first, you is second person, and third, and third, all are third persons. Clear? Now this is also very important table. So subject is what? I, object is we, possessive adjective my, mine, this is first person, we, us, our, ours, first person, you, your, second person, he, him, his, third person, she, her, hers, third person, it, its, third person, they, them, theirs, third person. Clear? So this is kinds of pronoun, personal pronoun table. So write down this also. Make these two tables in proper manner in your notebook. Okay? Now, she is talking to the baby. Example write down of personal pronoun. She is talking to the baby. The baby is not listening to her. So what is subject here? Subject is she, and object is her. So I think everyone clear this. Okay, she is talking to the baby is not listening to her. This way we use pronoun here. This way we use personal pronoun. Clear? I think everyone understand. Like, I am in the room. So what is I here? I is subject here. Now your meaning, definition of pronoun, kinds of pronoun and personal pronoun is completed here. Now in next class we will discuss rest of the parts of the pronoun. Okay. So today's class is over here. Thank you and have a nice day.